Welcome back everyone. I hope you're all doing great. Today, we're diving deep into the brand new 2026 Mazda CX-30, a compact crossover that continues to blend premium style, sharp performance, and everyday practicality. Mazda has been on a roll lately with their design language and driving dynamics, and this updated CX-30 is no exception. So, let us explore everything you need to know, from the exterior styling to the interior features, performance, tech, and driving feel. Let us start with the looks, because the CX-30 has always been one of the best looking small SUVs on the market, and Mazda has refined it even further for 2026. The front grille has been slightly reshaped with a sleeker, more modern finish, and depending on your trim, you'll get either a piano black or satin chrome accent. The LED headlights are now slimmer, giving the SUV a sharper, more confident appearance. Around the back, you'll notice redesigned tail lights with Mazda's new signature lighting pattern, subtle but definitely more premium. It's still got that sporty coupe-like silhouette that sets it apart from the competition, and the overall proportions are just perfect, athletic, without being aggressive. Under the hood, Mazda continues to offer two powertrain options. The standard engine is a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder producing around 191 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. But if you want a little more thrill, the turbocharged 2.5-liter is the one to go for, delivering up to 250 horsepower and a really impressive 320 pound-feet of torque when you use premium fuel. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive is now standard across all trims. That's a big plus for anyone living in regions with changing weather conditions or who just wants that extra grip and confidence on the road. When it comes to the driving experience, Mazda is still doing what it does best, making a compact crossover that feels genuinely fun to drive. The steering is precise, the suspension tuning is balanced, and the ride is firm yet comfortable. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus system subtly adjusts power delivery and braking to keep you stable through corners. Whether you're zipping through city traffic or taking it for a weekend road trip, the CX-30 delivers a refined and engaging drive that few in its class can match. Now stepping inside, this is where the CX-30 really shines. Mazda has created an interior that could easily pass for something from a luxury brand. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused, with high-quality materials everywhere you look: soft touch surfaces, leather upholstery on higher trims, and a very minimalistic but elegant design. The seats are extremely comfortable and supportive, perfect for long drives, and even the rear seats provide decent legroom for a vehicle this size. Tech-wise, Mazda's updated infotainment system is now standard with a larger 10.25-inch center display. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a high-quality 12-speaker Bose sound system available on the higher trims. The interface is smooth, though Mazda still uses its rotary dial for control instead of a touch screen when driving, which some people love for safety and others find a bit old school. Either way, it's responsive and looks great. You'll also find a digital instrument cluster, wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and a panoramic sunroof on select trims. Safety is another area where Mazda continues to deliver. Every 2026 CX-30 comes standard with i-Activsense safety features that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. There's also an upgraded 360-degree camera system and improved pedestrian detection for this model year. It's built to keep you confident and protected no matter where you drive. Cargo space remains competitive, with around 20 cubic feet behind the rear seats and over 45 cubic feet when you fold them down. It's practical enough for your groceries, luggage, or weekend gear, while still keeping that compact footprint that makes it easy to park and maneuver. In terms of pricing, Mazda hasn't gone wild with the updates. The 2026 CX-30 starts around the mid-20,000 range for the base trim and goes up to around 35,000 for the fully loaded Turbo Premium Plus model. Considering the design, performance, and quality you're getting, it's still one of the best values in its segment. So to wrap it up, the 2026 Mazda CX-30 continues to do what it's always done so well, offering a near luxury experience, an engaging drive, and beautiful design, all in a compact and efficient package. If you're in the market for something that feels a little more special than the average small SUV, the CX-30 definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you pick the CX-30 over something like the Honda HR-V or Toyota Corolla Cross? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next one.